Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time, we will learn how to design infinite part in SolidWorks. Just started, open SolidWorks. At first, we start from front plane. So right click and click sketch on front plane. In here, we use millimeter unit. First, draw circle diameter 100. Draw from this point. Set the dimension of circle in 100 millimeter. Then make a center line. Click center line from this point. Draw like this. Then set for the length in here is 225, like this. Then just make a line like this. Draw like this. We can see in here the total thickness in here is 20 millimeter. So just this line and click shift on this center line. Thickness is 20 millimeter, like this. For this length in here we set a half of 100 is 50 millimeter. For example, like this. 50 millimeter is a half of diameter in here is 100 millimeter. So in here is the length of this line is 50 millimeter. After that, make center line again. Draw from this point to this point. Draw a center, a half of the circle, and draw a spline from this point. Ensure this point, the half, and this point. Okay, this point is a half of a center of 225, the length of center line. So ensure this center line and this point click make vertical. This spline and this center point of the part is make vertical. After that, we can do trim entities for this circle and this circle, and ensure this spline and this circle click a make tangent. Then this spline and this line click a make tangent too, like this. Then set the dimension from this point to this center line. In here, the dimension is a quarter of 100 is 25. So in here, the height is 25 millimeter. 25 millimeter from a quarter of 100. Quarter of 100 on the meter in physical is 25 millimeter. Quarter of 100 is 25 millimeter, like this. Then we can do mirror entities from this plane, this line, and this line, and mirror about. Click this center line. Just click OK. Don't forget to make a hole in here. Make circle. Then the distance is 15 millimeter from this edge. So this circle, click shift on your keyboard, and this circle distance is 15 millimeter, like this. Then just to go to feature and extrude boss to make a solid part. For direction, we change in mid plane. For symmetric part, the distance is 100 millimeter. 100 millimeter. Or the thickness or depth is 100 millimeter. Just click OK. And we just make part like this. After that, go to top plane or select top plane, right click and click sketch. Then draw again center line from this center of the part, like this. And draw a circle from this point. Ensure this circle and this edge click make tangent, like this. Automatically we can check in here is 100 millimeter for the circle. Then We make again line like a before. Draw like this. Ensure this line. Click shift on your keyboard. Click the center line. The thickness is 20 millimeter. Oh, sorry. In here 20 millimeter. So the distance in here is 20 millimeter. Then ensure in here is 50 millimeter for laying this line. Then draw again the center line from a half of the circle like this, and we can to trim edit this line. We just do need a half of circle like this. Then click spline again from this point. Ensure this point and this point. Ensure center of the part in here, this point and this point. Click make vertical. This point is a half of 225 millimeter. So ensure this point and this point into make vertical. Then this plane and this this plane and this line, click on make tangent. This plane and this circle, click to make tangent to. And for this point and this center line, in here is 25 millimeter. 25 millimeter is from a quarter of 100 is 25 like this. Then we can to mirror entities. Mirror entities is click this line, this line, this spline, and where about we can click or choose the center line. Just click OK like this. Don't forget to make a circle again here. Draw like this. Then set dimension this circle and click shift on your keyboard and click this circle. This distance is 15 millimeter. For distance is 15 millimeter like this. Then draw a corner rectangle or select corner rectangle like this to this point like this. Then go to feature to make a cut. Select or choose extrude cut. Can see in here from here. From select contour, just click this sketch, this sketch, this sketch, this sketch, and this center for make a hole like this. From a direction we can change in through all both like this. Just click OK and done. It's so simple to make infinite part in SolidWorks. Don't forget in here have a radius too, a fillet. So select a fillet in here and fill parameter change into millimeter. Select this face, this hole, this face, and this face. Just click OK. You can change the color from this part, maybe in gray like this, and just click OK and done. We just make infinite part in the SolidWorks. It's so simple like this. I hope this tutorial helped you to learning SolidWorks, especially for beginners. I apologize if there are any mistake of our in this material. Thank you for watching until in the end video. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.